Engineering is what steers the world relentlessly, and it's an engineer who keeps it from deviating from its path, the path that leads to an ultimate achievement of what mankind dreams of. And fulfillment of that dream is the promise of every budding engineer to himself and to the community. While cherishing value engineering, we are also dreaming of a better, controlled tomorrow. While shoring up the engineering institutions of this country to create next-generation engineers, we have been constantly endeavoring to help these budding engineers keep their path and promise. We are Sine Wave Engineering Private Limited, an ISO 9001-2008 company. It all started more than a decade ago. The small manufacturing unit V-Ramp Systems, founded in 1997 by two young aspiring engineers, Mr. Wagh and Mr. Sulake at Dhairi near Pune, was handling hydraulics and control lab equipment initially. It soon widened its horizons and started dealing with computerized equipment like CNC and robots. In due course, Mr. Bugge and Mr. Jathar joined in to further strengthen the escalating business, and the company named Sine Wave Engineering was finally formed in the year 2006. The unit operates in a spacious 5,000 square foot well-equipped workshop with a proficient team of technicians. Today, after a decade of continued excellence and with a wide range of products such as CNC machines, robots and computerized engine and refrigeration test rigs, SEPL proudly claims a leading position among other manufacturers. It has emerged as a one-stop shop for all mechanical engineering labs. The company operates on neatly formulated standard operating procedures. Mr. Bugge handles the widespread marketing network across India. His efforts have succeeded all over India, including in Meghalaya, Goa, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Punjab, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Assam and all parts of Maharashtra. There is a full-fledged design department supported by the Research and Development Wing. The inventive engineers here are engaged in innovation engineering, bringing out newer applications and better performance. The state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities at SEPL offer world-class equipment at affordable prices. All these manufacturing facilities being under one roof, SEPL is able to deliver the products on schedule. Mechanical production is being taken care of by Mr. Wagh, while Mr. Sulake handles the electronic counterpart. Each product coming out of Sine Wave exemplifies top quality and best performance and adheres to stringent norms of accuracy and consistency in performance. Every emerging unit is rigorously tested for its designed performance at the specially developed testing facility. The equipment thus certified internally is then installed at the client site by the experts from the company. Training of handling the equipment is also given either at the workshop or directly at the client site. Proactive technical support by the experts at SEPL is available as and when required. Mr. Jathar is in charge of the installation and post-commissioning services. Consequential to the quality assurance and service excellence policy, SEPL enjoys a widespread esteemed clientele. The client base is spread across India in almost all states, most of them being repeat customers. Among the regular product range is training and testing equipment for the CAD/CAM lab, fluid power lab, IC engines, refrigeration and air conditioning labs, heat and mass transfer labs, fluid mechanics, theory of machines and instrumentation labs. With the powerful PC software and user-friendly graphics interface, Sinewave specializes in computerized equipment. The company takes pride in the indigenously designed computerized refrigeration and air conditioning test rig and IC engine test rig.